Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I create my DIY hair mask for healthy hair. I begin with approximately 2 scoops of my Intense Treatment Serum by the brand Curlsmith. This is a very moisturizing product and can be used on all hair types. The first ingredient is shea butter, the second is jojoba oil, and the third ingredient is avocado oil. I use approximately 2 spoonfuls of product when creating my hair mask. After I've grabbed my product, I then put my container in the microwave for approximately 1 minute, melting the product and turning it to an oil. Next, I'm going to grab my Macadamia Oil conditioner. This is a deep treatment and repair hair mask. It does wonders for the hair. Similarly, I use approximately 2 spoonfuls of this conditioner when creating my hair mask. While moisturizing products are important, it is equally important that we reinforce our hair strands using a product that has protein in it. Keratin is a protein that makes up our hair, skin, and nails. Here I am pouring a small amount of the Keratin Mist into the container that's holding the hair mask. The fourth product that I will be using is cholesterol. I purchased this at my local Hair City beauty supply store. Cholesterol conditioner is an intensive conditioner and it penetrates the hair shaft so that even very severely dried hair can be moisturized and conditioned. I am now quickly mixing the conditioner. I'm doing this prior to adding my oils. The first oil that I will be adding to my hair mask is Eucalyptus Oil. I'm not using much because this oil can be very potent, especially if you have sensitive skin. It is, however, very invigorating. It almost feels like putting Vicks on your scalp. Eucalyptus oil is said to stimulate hair follicles, improve hair health, and promote hair growth. It is also beneficial if you have dry, itchy scalp or dandruff. The second oil that I will be adding to my hair mask is Macadamia Oil. I purchased this oil on Amazon. Macadamia oil is packed with fatty acids, which help to add shine to the hair strands, strengthen them, nourish the hair follicles, and also fight hair loss. I really love this oil because I find that when I use it, my hair is so much more frizz-free and shinier. Finally, extra virgin olive oil for the hair. Make sure that when you are creating this hair mask, you are using extra virgin olive oil, as it is the highest quality olive oil that you can buy. Congratulations! You've just created your own DIY hair mask at home. Feel free to add additional ingredients that you find beneficial in maintaining your own hair health. Once I'm done mixing, I put my mask in the microwave for approximately 30 seconds to warm the product prior to putting it onto my hair. The added heat allows for the product to more deeply penetrate my hair strands so that I can get the maximum benefit from each of the products and ingredients that I've used. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay beautiful.